I record in the top of the tree because I don't know where. But let's go. Oh, bruh! If I die here, I hate this. Oh, cause Oh, challenge, do not die. Not die. Ooh. Bruh. Bro, how would I get there? Cause there's even fancier. Why did I die there? Why? Oh, why did I die there? I hate being died. Cause this feels me like, kasi nalala ko na namatay si Sandik siya. Sa hardcore. Ayoko pa naman namamatay. Salamat talaga tayo sa baboy dito. Hindi siya. Buti naman talaga hindi siya I almost again. It's almost get